recorder we got out here in the world. That's all he do all day and every day. He record trains, checking out for inspections, making sure everything is malfunctioning right. He got it with the camera and he got his phone videoing. He's getting a true read. Engine start 8368 gets passed through the slot furnace area around the 1 o'clock in the PM. What's your name?
Sean.
We got Sean on the record. How many cars behind them engine, Sean?
I don't know how many you got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, what you think it is, Sean? Good guess.
Probably about 50.
About 50, okay. We got the master engineer of the record, says about 50 cars behind the 3 engines. Heading on the northbound, heading towards the yard.
Yep. You coming back now?
John recording about at the mile post mark, the 138.6. He's about approximately 6 blocks from the furnace.
Yep. The other train gone, eh?
Yeah. He is recording right here at the Birmingham Smoke. Long furnace, known as the Smoke.
Was you born with the skin down? I said, was you born with the skin down?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
You love to see that with you.
No, we like skin.
You don't?
I don't like.
You like to see them electric engines?
Yeah, I don't like Amtrak.
You don't like Amtrak either? Why?
I just like when they go fast.
They go fast.
Yeah. Especially if you tired.
Paddling. Supposed to be moving though.
Yeah.
You be all down in paddling too?
It's 79 miles per hour down there.
So enough. I think it's more than 50 cars, son. I think it may be over 100 cars.
It probably be about 7, 8.
Maybe. You ever counted them? You never counted the cars?
A long time ago I did.
Oh, you used to. See them cars right there? See them cars right there?
Yeah.
Them called hopper cars.
Yeah, corn inside.
Yeah, corn, yeah, hopper. Yeah, got corn. Dry buck.
Yeah.
See, anytime they made like that, them hopper cars.
Yeah.
You know them all, don't you? Boy, you ain't shit. What is a flat car?
When you put low stuff on.
Yeah, you right. What is a gun?
So they put they put one of them rocks in them, don't you?
Yes, I'm gonna